Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to delete virus in PC step by step so you can make your computer faster and safer. Now let's get started. Step 1, go to the search bar on your PC and type Run. Then open the Run application. The Run tool allows you to quickly access system commands and settings, which is useful for cleaning unnecessary files. Step 2, type cleanmgr in the Run box and click OK. This opens the disk cleanup utility, which helps remove junk files that can slow down your PC. Step 3, select the C drive and click OK. Most temporary and unnecessary files are stored on your C drive, so cleaning it helps improve performance. Step 4, select the temporary files and other unnecessary files, then click OK. This step ensures that all the extra files that may harbor viruses are identified for deletion. Step 5, click on Delete Files to permanently remove them. This clears up space on your PC and eliminates potentially harmful files that may affect performance. Step 1 of the second method, open the search bar again, type Run and open it. This method helps remove additional temporary files that may remain after disk cleanup. Step 2, type Prefetch in the Run box and click OK. The Prefetch folder stores files that help Windows start programs faster, but old files can slow down your PC. Step 3, press Ctrl+A to select all files. Selecting all files ensures that nothing unnecessary is left behind. Step 4, press Shift+Delete, then press Enter to permanently delete these files. This removes all selected Prefetch files from your PC completely. Step 1 of the third method, open the search bar and open Run again. This method helps clean system directory files that can be affected by viruses. Step 2, type tree in the Run box and click OK. This command deletes hidden system files and directory remnants that can harbor malware, improving your PC's security and speed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.